all that. Crap. No.
That smells
Too much.
gross.
Oh. Oh well. That's awesome.
So why do we have to stand back?
I'm still videoing. I'm gonna watch it. Oh. Let's so watch it.
It's gonna go in YouTube cast.
Why? Yeah. That is Krakatoa. It blew itself up. May not be exactly Krakatoa. That's my friend. Am I allowed to say your name, or was I just showing you last time? You guys want to get in the camera?
No, because he's putting it on YouTube. No.
Didn't think so. But didn't I show your face last time? I put a video yeah. So can I? Okay, that's him. Chickens in a box. I made it myself, but I gave it to him. So, yeah, it's kind of too late to not put him on videos. Stop running around like a little prancing reindeer. And that's me with my daily, weekly video logs or whatever.
Hi.
Of explosion of Mount Krakatoa. Look at my butt.